Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to introduce you UX334 Zenbook, the latest Zenbook. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share my YouTube channel on the Facebook or Twitter or any whatever also can And my English is not so good, so hope everybody can understand what I'm speaking about. So let's get into the video. So this is the Zenbook. Just now I mentioned the UX334, and the Zenbook also comes with 13.3 inch, 14 inch and also 15.6 inch screen size. And the Zenbook also comes with two colors, one is royal blue and one is icicle silver. Now the on-hand one is royal blue. So the Zenbook, it comes with 4 models. Let I show you the model in the screen on here. So the first model and the second model actually is the same spec, just the color difference. So the spec for the both is running on Core i5 10th generation 210U processor, and also come with 8GB of RAM and 256 NVMe SSD, and the screen size is 13.3 Full HD, and also come with NVIDIA GeForce MX 250 graphic card, 2GB GDDR5. So the next model we have one is 14-inch size Zenbook, and the spec for the 14-inch one also come with i5 10th generation 210U processor, and also come with 8GB of RAM, and the storage also come with 512 NVMe SSD, and the screen also come with 14-inch Full HD, but the screen is come with the touchscreen, and also the graphic card is come with NVIDIA MX 250 2GB GDDR5. And here is the spec for the 14-inch. And the last one we have one is UX534, is the 15-inch Zenbook, and the spec for this one is come with i7 10th generation 512U processor, and for the RAM is 16GB and come with 1TB NVMe SSD, and the screen is come with 15-inch UHD 4K display, and the graphic card is come with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Max-Q 4GB GDDR5. And here is the spec for the 15-inch Zenbook. So first we talk about the screen. For the screen, it comes with 2.8mm ultra slim bezel, and the screen comes with 4-size frameless nano edge design with 95% of screen to body ratio. That is very slim bezel. And the screen also comes with IPS technology, so you can view at the side, so no problem for any viewing angle. And the color won't change to be dark. Asus also designed a very special hinge called Ego-Lift hinge design. And Ego-Lift hinge design, it will optimize your typing position, so you will feel comfortable when you are typing. And other than that, it will enhance your cooling system and also enhance your audio performance. So next we'll talk about the screen pad for the Zenbook. And the screen size for the screen pad is 5.65 inch. The screen is not big as you think, but it can do something like app switcher, mode switch, add apps navigator, quick key, handwriting, slide expert, and number key. Soon maybe they will adding more software for the screen pad. The typing feel is very good because for the travel distance for the key is 1.4 mm, and ergo lift hinge also help a lot of my typing experience on this Zenbook. And for the keyboard also have backlit light, so you don't worry for typing in the dark place. And also the brightness come with 3 levels, and you can change the brightness by pressing the F7, no need to press any FN key. Next we will talk about connection port for the Zenbook. And for the first one we have the DC in. DC in is the charging port, and also come with one HDMI, USB 3.1 Gen 2, and also come with USB-C 3.1 Gen 2. Unfortunately for this one, it not come with the Thunderbolt. And in the another side we have micro SD card reader, USB 2.0, and audio jack. Even the laptop slim like this but still have so many connectivity ports, so you no need to buy any converter to convert it. And the battery life for the Zenbook is up to 13.2 hours if for the medium use, like browsing, typing. And the sound system for the Zenbook is sound by Harman-Kardon. So next we will do some testing for this Zenbook. So first we will testing the cooler system for this Zenbook. After I do a stress test for the average temperature for this Zenbook is about 70 degrees. It's a very good cooler for these slim laptops. Next we will do about the sound test.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started. Get me out of now.
The sound is not bad but not the greatest one. If you want for hearing better experience, you can plug your earphone or headphones, or you can connect a Bluetooth earphone or headphone also if you want to. So now we make a conclusion for this Zenbook. So if you're looking for something lightweight and having long battery life, you can pick the Zenbook if you're looking for something like you want to do video editing or gaming, and this is not suitable for you. You have to go like the gaming laptop. So now we make a conclusion for this Zenbook. So if you're looking for something lightweight and having long battery life, you can pick the Zenbook. If you're looking for something like you want to do video editing or gaming, and this is not suitable for you, you have to go like the gaming laptop. If you still want to do editing stuff and gaming, and you still want some slim laptop and long battery life, if for the Zenbook, maybe you can go to the 15-inch because it come with i7 processor, and the graphic cards is come with GTX 1650 max skill graphic card, and the graphic card set is for like if you want to do editing or the gaming. Now it still can do some stuff like this, but not the greatest one. But if you want the greatest one, if you can go to the gaming laptop. But for me, I will go to the gaming laptop because the price is more cheaper than the Zenbook, like 15-inch, and it even come with the same spec. So this is the end about the video. What do you think about the Zenbook? You can comment down below what you think about this Zenbook. So before I end the video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to share my video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.